Hello, my name is Alan Nolan and I am the author of a World Book Day book for 2024 called Malone and Bram Stoker in the Curious Case of the Irish Yeti. I'm also the author of the Sackville Street Caper and Double Trouble at the Dead Zoo, and they both have Molly and Bram in them. In my books, Bram Stoker, he's 11 years old, he's the future author of Dracula, and in the books he comes up to Dublin City to have adventures to write about. There he meets Molly Malone, and Molly Malone is a part-time fishmonger, full-time sneak thief, and all-around Dublin legend. Together they have adventures all around Dublin. They meet people who kind of inspire Bram to write about vampires. They meet mummies, real-life mummies, and in the Curious Case of the Irish Yeti, they meet an Irish abominable snowman.